Good morning everyone. Today we will discuss about water and rough phase. Yes, water and rough phase. As you know, the food we eat that contain a number of nutrients, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Along with that, our food contain water and rough phase. Yes. Do you like to eat juicy food? So, means the water is present in our food and this water is must for our body because this water helps in the removal of waste products from our body into the form of urine and sweat. In the same way, a number of activities are going on inside our body. For that, water acts as a medium. So, water is an integral part of our food. Okay, after that, rough phase. Rough phase means it does not contain any nutrient. It do not provide any nutrient to our body, but it is mass. It is mass for the removal of the waste product from our body. Yes, it increase the bulk of the waste product and that waste product easily removed from our body with the help of the rough phase. So we should eat that diet which contain more rough phase, like your fruits are there, like your whole wheat grains are there. So these are the rich sources of rough phase. And can you tell me the sources of water? Yes, your juicy fruits and vegetables. These are the sources of water and rough phase. So we should add them into our daily routine because not only they protect us from different diseases, they help us a lot to remove the waste products from our body. Now we are going to discuss the categories of food. As you know, on the basis of the nutrients present in food, we can divide the food into three categories. Yes, how many categories? Three. First of all, we can say energy giving food. Yes, that food which gives us the energy, like your carbohydrates and fat rich food, bread, rice, potato, oil, butter. These foods give us the energy so that we can do different work. Now next one is your protecting food. Next one is your protecting food. This food protect you from different diseases. Yes, it protects your body against different diseases like vitamins and minerals resources like fruits and green vegetables. And next one is your body building food. What is that? Body building food like your protein rich food, protein rich sources like your milk, cheese. So on the basis of the nutrients, we can divide the food into three categories: the food that gives us the energy, the food that protect us from different diseases, and the food that helps in our body building. So we should eat healthy food. Now we will discuss about food pyramid. Yes, we will discuss about food pyramid. As you know, our food contains different nutrients and these nutrients are needed by us but in different quantity. Okay, so first of all we will talking about carbohydrates. So carbohydrate is needed by human beings in a larger quantity. So because it gives us the energy to do different work. So for in the maximum amount, human beings need carbohydrate. After that, we need vitamins and minerals to protect us from different diseases. Yes, we need green vegetables and fruits to protect ourselves from different diseases. After that, human beings and especially child needs proteins. Yes, the proteins are body building food. They help to build our body. They help in a proper growth, growth of muscles, growth of nerves. So after we need the proteins, and our body needs the fats but in small amount, because excess of fat, it will deposit inside our body and causes our disease obesity. So we should eat fat because it gives us the energy, but we should eat fat in a small quantity. So we can see carbohydrate in larger amount. After that, vitamins and minerals. After that, our body need proteins in an medium adequate amount, and after that, fats. So the food which contain all these nutrients, carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals in an adequate quantity, in a proper quantity, along with water and raw food. So this type of diet or this type of food is known as balanced diet. Yes, this is a balanced diet which has a balance of all the nutrients according to the need of the human being. Now we will try to find difference between raw food and cooked food. Yes, raw food. Raw food means that we can eat without cooking. Yes, the food that we can eat without cooking, like your fruits, carrot, tomato, cucumber. These foods we can eat without cooking. So these are known as raw food. And the cooked food, as you know, which the mama cooks for you, like your pulses, potato, rajma. These are the food we can't eat raw. So we have to cook it. So when we cook the food, there are some advantages of it. Can I tell you? Okay, just see. When we eat the cooked food or when we cook our food, then our food becomes soft. Our food becomes soft. It is easy to chew it. It is easy to digest it. The food becomes edible and it becomes very tasty because we are going to add into spices and your butter and oil into it. So it becomes very tasty. And the most important thing, cooking kills the harmful germs. Yes, cooking kills the harmful germs. So when we are eating the cooked food or when we are cooking the food, means cooking makes the food soft. It makes our food edible. It makes our food tasty. It makes our food easy to chew and digest, and it kills the harmful germs. Okay. Now, before eating the food, either cooked or raw, we should wash our foods or food very well. Yes. Before eating the fruits, wash it well. Before cooking the vegetables, we have to wash it well. Means we have to wash the vegetables before cutting, so that the nutrients which is present in the your vegetable, it should not be drained off. And we should avoid overcooking of the food. If our food will be overcooked now, then the nutrients which are present in this food, that is spoiled over. And we should not try to use, or we should not use excess water in our food. We should add only that much amount of water which is needed by us. So food, which is the basic necessity of every living being, we should eat it. We should eat healthy food. We should drink 8 to 10 glasses of water every day, and we should try to add raw food into our food.